Today guys, I'm playing Minecraft. So we're playing Minecraft Survival again. So I don't know. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. So let us play. Let us play. Let's go, let's go. Let's play my survival. Survival. Okay, okay. Let's go. Team, 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 team. I'm recording. Recording, recording, recording. Okay, let me fix my mic. Oh, okay. Playing my Minecraft, and I want to have a mine shaft. Loading, bruh. Bruh, please be faster. I'm making some fire content. For the hole. Okay, sige. Kanina pa kayo.
Open chat to open chat.
Yun naman ako nagre-record.
Tatay!
Papalisin, ano ba? Huwag kayo maingay. Lagi lang. Walang hiya. Okay. Let's go. I'm running. Oh, bro. Okay, I'm running. Oh, what the hell? Bruh. Let's go. Oh, bro. I made a road and I'm not using it, bro. I'm so stupid. Ay, I need to mine some wood. Let's go, bro. I'm lagging. Okay. Bro, why the wood is not breaking, bro? I'm lagging. I think I'm lagging. Bro. Okay, let us do that. Go. Let's go. Bro, cannot find a single block of iron here. Just 3 blocks just to make a Okay, there's my mine shaft. This mountain I think has iron. I think. Bro. Oh my god. Here's my mine shaft. Mining. There's an internet. Oh, there's an internet right now. Dude, that is gravel right there. Bro, it's not mine. No, na. Gravel to, so. Bro, my mic is there. Yo, bro. Okay, I'll end playing my survival mode. Goodbye, guys. Please subscribe and do the notification button. Goodbye.